Hello there, it's Paul PG Mac McKeown, and I would just like to say a very big thank you for the time that you have just invested registering and signing up for these series of webinars. Now, the link for the webinar training will be in your inbox in a few short minutes. So while you're waiting for it, why not have a quick look at this short video? Now, what we're going to do here is what I've given you is through these teachings, I've given you absolutely everything that you should need to begin your online version of yourself, your semi-automated version of yourself. Now, if you're serious, like 99.9% of the other coaches that I'm fortunate enough to call my clients, you will perhaps feel that this is a lot of training there to take in. So do not worry. What we've done, my team and I, we've broken this down into a series of step-by-step, short, condensed lessons inside the training portal. And this is what I'd like to spend a few moments talking with you about today. You see, many of the coaches I'm fortunate enough to call my clients, they recognize and they fully understand that they have to get more eyeballs, more people, more of their ideal prospects. You know, the ones I'm talking about, the ones that you absolutely love in big capital letters to coach. So this is what they want to do, and this is what they want to achieve. And then through these series of teachings, this is exactly what we're going to do together. So if you're in this place and you want to take advantage, if you want to get your message in front of more of the right type of coaching client, then I've got a very, very special offer, and it's available only inside this training. This iCandor 8-step formula has been the thing that has allowed me to go from broke to getting my message out in front of thousands of coaches. I went from being completely broke and struggling to getting my message out to only a handful of coaches, up until now to the present day, where I have hundreds of qualified, scored, note those words, qualified, scored prospects coming into my database every single month of the year. I'm sharing my message with you because, you see, there are potentially millions of coaches, consultants, teachers, trainers, tutors, mentors out there. And my mission and my passion is to try to help as many of you as possible, starting right now, today. And this is why I want to introduce you to our iCandor Deep Dive Discovery video training portal. And each one of these lessons has got downloadable course worksheets, the exact scripts, the exact templates, showing you exactly how we did it to bring you in, and then how we would like to do it for you and for your customers. You see, all that we did was we went out there and we defined the pain points, the blind spots, the challenges that all of you coaches are suffering from. And we broke each lesson down into 3 simple steps to achieve this through this iCandor never-ending client flow system. Now, for those of you on the page inside the webinar training portal, what you can see is you can see the list of the webinar trainings that we've already conducted so far this year. And you can see the 3 big benefits, the 3 key takeaways with each one of them. Now, if you're watching this on our YouTube channel, then please click the link at the top of the comment. So the first comment directly underneath, it's got a link. Please click on that, and then you'll be able to see what we're talking about. Now, all of these 3 things that I've just talked to you about, in each of these webinar trainings, we break this down into 3 by 30-minute lessons, 3 by 30-minute teachings, followed by the same number of workshop exercises, again with the templates, with the worksheets, with the scripts. They're the exact scripts that we have used. And you see, what we're doing is now we're making a special offer to you. See, we firmly believe that just one of these steps alone could easily be worth about $197 to $297 to $350. And let me tell you why. You see, what I believe from working with a lot of you ambitious, fast-paced entrepreneurial coaches, you're able to set the bar at quite high, and you're able to set the bar usually for about $350 plus for one of these individual one-to-one sessions. So if you can imagine there that one of these clients there would be worth to you by taking advantage of these teachings $350 or $350 plus. You definitely shouldn't be pricing yourself at anything less. And then by doing this, what we're saying to you is that today, for this special offer, we're not asking you for $350. We're not asking you for $250. What we're asking you for is for the very, very low price of $47. $47 for all of the amazing teachings from this module, from this I of the I Can Door 8-step formula. You see, I'm going to give you a very special price in this module, but as I said, for today only. And the reason for this is because you see, to me, this is more than just a business. This is a mission and a passion. And my mission and my passion are to go out there and to inspire each and every single one of you ambitious, truly ambitious, the fast-paced, the entrepreneurial coach to take an action and to follow these key digital marketing strategies. So the investment today, instead of being like $350 or $250 or $197, today it's for the bargain price of only $47. So if you can imagine, $47 for all of the amazing teachings that you see on this screen right now. Now you can find out a little bit more about me there in my life story by clicking the link above. But basically, I've been doing this. I've been called into this mission since I was about 14 years of age. And that was an incredibly long time ago. But, you know, you can read about some of the stupid and the challenging things that I did as I was searching, until I realized that I'd been called into this mission. And my mission and my passion are to help each and every one of you coaches out there to take an action. It's really important for me right now to introduce to you our super duper titanium plated one conditional guarantee. And that one condition is very, very simple, that you have to turn up. You have to turn up promptly. You have to be ready to take notes. You have to take actions on the teachings. So if you take actions and if you follow the homework through, I never thought I would hear myself at the age of 52 saying to people that I'm giving homework. But yes, I'm giving homework. Full disclosure, there is work involved. But if you turn up and if you take the action, then our promise to you is that this will definitely work. And if not, then what we will do is we will continue to do these, provide you with these digital marketing strategies for free after the initial time period to prove that they will work for you. Okay, but remember, you have to turn up, you have to take the action, and you have to follow the steps of the program, right? So now click on that button below and let's get you started. Let's get you off and running today. Now, for some of you, you've heard my story, you've heard my guarantee, and you're probably thinking, yes, but you know, is this right for me? Will this work for me? And the answer is yes. And what you can do now is you can click on the link above, and then you can hear some of the incredible case stories from some of our incredible clients, from some of the people that we're fortunate, that we're blessed enough to be able to call our clients, and how this worked for them. Once you've heard those incredible stories, those incredible teachings, they're from those other people, from Jeff and from Tanya, from Herman, from Teresita, from all of those incredible people, then what you have to do is you have to take an action. Because if you take an action, as you know yourself, this will definitely work for you. Because you see, coaches for me, they're people that play at a higher level. They have a different vision. They're people that are used to goal setting, to attaining, to achieving their goals. And this is all what I want to do. I want you to help you in the sphere of the digital marketing, online digital marketing. But again, this offer is only available for a limited time and only on this page, only while you see this button. Once you click away, it's gone, and it's probably gone forever. Don't miss out. Take action today. Click the button.